Welcome to our review of the FYIOXGX Cameron Sino replacement battery for Sealite SL60 and SL70 solar marine lights. If you own one of these solar marine lights and the battery is no longer holding a charge, this is an affordable and reliable replacement option. First, let's talk about compatibility. This battery is designed specifically for Sealite SL60 and SL70 models. It is certified with ISO 9001, RoHS, and CE, so you can be confident in its quality and safety. The specifications include a capacity of 8600 mAh or 30.96 hours, a voltage of 11.4 volts, dimensions of 71.40 by 55.8 by 38 mm, and a weight of 381 grams. The new fully decoded chip works exactly like the original, ensuring seamless integration. One of the key selling points is ease of installation. There are many installation videos available online, and the process is straightforward. Most users will find it simple to replace the old battery with this new one. The battery is made to exact specifications as the original, so you don't have to worry about fitment issues. Quality is a major focus. Each battery undergoes strict spec detection and usage testing to ensure safe and durable operation. Protection features include overcharge, over-discharge, over-voltage, and short-circuit protection, which extend battery life and enhance safety. The package includes shock-absorbing foam for safe transport. Finally, Cameron Sino offers a 12-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Their customer support responds to emails within 24 hours. If you encounter any issues, you are covered. Overall, this battery is a cost-effective and reliable solution for powering your Sealite solar marine light. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more product reviews.